Welcome, folks, to Python Web Conference 2023. And here we go. I am joined by Leander. I really thank you for joining us. Can you give a quick intro? You're going to be one of our speakers this year at Python Web Conference. Tell people who you are.
Definitely. I'm Leander. My pronouns are they, them. I am a developer advocate with Temporal Technologies. And yeah, I also happen to be a mother, which is kind of significant to the talk. But don't hold it against me. I promise not to mother you.
Maybe I need some mothering. Tell folks what they're going to hear if they come to your talk during Python Web Conference.
Right. So this is about kind of embracing your inner child in order to work more efficiently. Originally, this came out of a conversation I had with a friend, and I had just given birth to my twins. I have 3 kids. Our second child tricked us and came out as 2. And so I was definitely still in the potty training mode, closing the doors mode, stopping the children from doing unsafe thing, kind of not interested in hacking or coding or anything. But we were just brainstorming, and I realized that we forget so many things that we learn and do naturally as children, falling down and then getting back up, just full stop. You could do an entire talk about just persistence, but this is about persistence and play and curiosity and basically hacking your psychology so that you don't burn out, so that you can recover if you do burn out, and so you can work more efficiently and still have fun, still be your true self.
I love that. I love the aspect of bringing play into it and just making sure that you're always happy with what you're doing, right? So what are you hoping to get out of the conference itself as well?
For me, it's all about seeing what's going on in Python. I'm particularly focused on the data side of things. I am a huge pandas fan, so I will be looking for that. And also, yeah, cultural shifts are absolutely fascinating.
Okay, Rain,
Awesome.
we look forward to having you at the conference. I really appreciate you joining us and being a speaker, and we'll see you all in March.